Like half decent fish. Don't go upside down. I'm into a fish, by the way, boys. I'm into a fish. There's not much I can do to convince this one to come in. Okay, it's coming in now. We're going to get a chance to have a look at it. Like half decent fish. Don't go upside down. I convinced myself it was just a mid, it was a 28, 29, and that's that. But when I'm in bed later on, I'm laying there by myself and I'm sad, I will be thinking the reality of what was the fish. And I'm genuinely upset. It hurts so much. Anyone who's lost a fish that you saw that was massive will understand truly how much this hurts. It's like I don't even know. Get out of my face.